How to add pages in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so you have got a PDF document and you need to, add a page. Maybe you forget something or you want to insert a blank page. Whatever the reason is, it's super easy to do in Adobe Acrobat. Let me show you how. First things first, open any PDF in the Acrobat. Let me open mine. Edit this one. Once the PDF is open, look for Organize Pages tool, which is over here, which you will find among the right corner option. You can see it over here. Tap on it, and over here you can see the pages that you have in your PDF. Now what you have to do in order to add a pages is simply tap on this plus button between the pages. So first of all, determine where you want to add a page. Then after you have decided, for example, I want to add a page between this page and this page, what I have to do is simply tap on plus button over here. Then it will open up option for file, keyboard, scanner, web page, blank page, etc. Simply tap on blank page, which is over here. Tap on it. I'm using a free trial, so I'll not be able to insert or delete or extract the PDF pages. Right now I'm not using any packages here, so this feature is only available to those who are using the packages or the versions of Adobe Acrobat. As I said, I'm not one of them, so I'll not be able to do so, but that was an idea on how to add pages on PDF from Adobe Acrobat. I hope this makes you the idea or the process clear. Once you have added a blank page, simply tap on OK and you are done. That's pretty much of it, easy peasy. Now you can add pages to your PDF like a pro. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.